How to use IR35 compliance experts in your preferred supplier list. Using a preferred supplier list, PSL, is a tried and tested way of maintaining control of your supply chain, which is vital for recruiters in today's contractor market. With private sector IR35 reform coming in 2021, it's also vital to include compliance experts in your PSL. As IR35 reform approaches, you will need to access specialist expertise, both for your own operations and to help your clients with theirs. Including experts in your PSL will give you exactly the kind of close working relationship you'll need. Inclusion in your PSL will also see your chosen experts working with your clients on a day-to-day basis, which will foster a level of familiarity and trust that simply can't be found in any other way. This will allow for quicker and easier assessment of your clients' needs and much smoother implementation of any new systems and processes. Since the expert was chosen by you and that relationship is based around the contractors you supply, this success will bring your clients closer to you as their chosen recruiter. Exactly how you include IR35 compliance experts in your PSL will depend on the sector you work in and the needs of your clients. Including only IR35 compliance experts in your PSL. If the limited company model is appropriate for most of your contractors, any provider you introduce your clients to will have to be an expert in IR35 compliance. You've chosen the companies on your PSL, so their performance will reflect on you in your clients' eyes. Since the vast majority of your clients will be affected by IR35 reform and will need to access specialist expertise to prepare, you'll need to be confident that anyone you introduce to them is up to the task. Including some IR35 compliance experts in your PSL. If the umbrella model is more appropriate for most of your contractors and you only supply a few who work through limited companies, it's probably more important to involve professional umbrella employers who won't necessarily need a detailed knowledge of IR35. However, even if only a few of your clients are affected, it's still important to be able to access the necessary specialist expertise when needed, so it's best to look for suppliers like Orange Genie, with impeccable credentials in umbrella employment to justify inclusion in your PSL, as well as experience and knowledge of IR35 and expertise in all compliance-related issues. Using more than one PSL. If you work in more than one sector, you may well have several distinct groups of clients with very different needs. If this is the case, you might want to set up more than one PSL. This will allow you to vet each PSL for expertise in umbrella employment or IR35 compliance, depending on which group of clients you expect it to serve. We're currently seeing all three of these strategies being used successfully by our recruiter partners. The important thing is to understand your client's business and anticipate their needs. How we can help. As an established and respected contractor management company, we offer a full range of compliance solutions, including professional umbrella employment, specialist contractor accountancy services, and CIS self-employed solutions. This means our compliance experts are able to assess the needs of any business who hires contractors, whatever sector they work in. If you have any questions about IR35 compliance, if you need help implementing a PSL, or if we can help in any way, please contact our expert team on 01296 468 483 or email info@orangegenie.com.